Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef liver fry. First, let's prepare the liver. You'll want about 1 pound of fresh beef liver, sliced into 1/4-inch thick pieces. Soaking it in milk for around 30 minutes is a great trick to mellow its strong flavor. While it soaks, you can gather your other ingredients, like a large onion, several cloves of garlic, and your favorite spices. This initial step is crucial for a tender and flavorful dish. Now, let's build the flavor base for our liver fry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 large sliced onion and sauté it until it turns translucent and begins to soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for just 1 minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. This aromatic foundation is key. It's time to cook the star of our dish. First, make sure to thoroughly drain the milk from the liver and pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve a nice sear. Add the liver pieces to your hot skillet and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. You want a good brown crust but still a slightly pink interior. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. We're almost done. To add a burst of freshness and color, stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Let it cook for just 1 more minute, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. The liver should be tender and juicy. Serve your hot beef liver fry immediately with a side of rice, bread, or a fresh salad. Enjoy this incredibly nutritious and flavorful meal you've just prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.